Hello, welcome to my channel. Today is my mom's birthday and मम्मी बेचारी आज ऑफिस गई हुई हैं, उनको छुट्टी नहीं मिली बट वो जल्दी आ जाएंगी, तो इसलिए मैं सोच रही हूँ कि आई वांट टू मेक सम पकौड़ा एंड चाय एंड हम दोनों चाय पकौड़े खाएंगे। और मैंने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले एक अपने वीडियो शूट किया यूट्यूब के लिए, सो दैट्स व्हाई ऑल दिस मेकअप। हैप्पी बर्थडे मम्मी। थैंक यू। अभी हम चाय पकौड़े खाएंगे और हम कोई मूवी देखेंगे। आज हम कहीं बाहर घूमने नहीं जा रहे हैं क्योंकि आज मेरी बहन ऑफिस गई हुई है। इतने दिनों बाद बाहर निकली मैं। इट्स सो कोल्ड, मज़ा आ गया लेकिन बाहर निकल के। और मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि रोज़ मुझे वॉक पे जाना चाहिए बट आई एम टू लेजी।
Oh my god, I love it. आ जाओ।
After such a long time, we all are going for dinner together because हम तीनों महिलाएं काम करती हैं, so हम
एक
लोग
साथ हो ही नहीं पाते।
हम एक साथ हो ही नहीं पाते। ये सब मेरे लास्ट ईयर मुझे जॉन्डिस हुआ था तो उसके पेपर्स हैं, वो मैं जला रही हूँ। मुझे कोई नेगेटिविटी नहीं चाहिए अपने घर में। मैं तो जल गया ऐसे। पहली बार जलाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ और कुछ जल नहीं रहा है। आई डोंट नो हाउ दिस वर्क्स बट मैं तब से ट्राई कर रही हूँ और नहीं जल रहा है और सारे पेपर्स जल जा रहे हैं, सो आई डोंट वांट टू वेस्ट। तो अभी मैं वेट कर रही हूँ। मेरी बहन नीचे गई है, उसको कुछ तो काम था, सो वहाँ पे सिक्योरिटी गार्ड्स जो होते हैं वो जलाते हैं एंड शी इज़ गोना आस्क देम मे बी दे हैव द ट्रिक हाउ टू कीप इट अलाइव। अब हमने सब कुछ ट्राई कर लिया, अब हमें लकड़ियों का हट बना रहे हैं सो दैट आप आओगे नहीं जब तक तब तक जलेगा नहीं। आपको ये जान के खुशी होगी हमने आग जला ली है थैंक्स टू माय मदर। बिना मदर के कुछ भी नहीं होता है गाइस। Good morning. I just had my first drink of the morning. So I drink amla juice because it's very good for your hair, your skin, your gut. I have started drinking that. It's been a few months now. So after drinking, I have to wait like for an hour before I have my breakfast or anything else to eat or drink. बट आई यूजली वेट फॉर लाइक हाफ एन आवर एंड 45 मिनट्स। अभी मैंने सोचा है कि मैं योगा करूँगी, थोड़ी सी स्ट्रेचिंग करूँगी बिकॉज दिस ईयर आई एम ट्राइंग टू डूइंग पिलाटीज and yoga on a regular basis, and also I'm doing everything at home. So I just did a 10-minute stretching workout kind, and this was not Pilates. Pilates is a lot more difficult, and I watched a couple of videos on YouTube while doing Pilates. So right now the plan is to edit some videos, and I have already packed my bags and arranged my uniform for tonight. Also, I'm going to have lunch in some time. Yeah. So I just want to tell you that there are a few things that I've tried to incorporate in my daily routine, and I'm not trying to like push myself to the limits like आज करना ही है. अगर किसी reason से मुझसे वो नहीं हो पाता है, I am not going to be hard on myself. But I'm not going to be lazy. I have decided that since I can't go out and work out, that every day I'm going to do one physical activity. It can be Pilates, it can be yoga, or maybe a little bit of body weight exercises, and I'm going to incorporate them every day in my routine. Apart from that, I've also decided that I would meditate. It's good for my mental health and it keeps me calm. It's a very good tool actually also when you're in a situation where there's a lot of stress and you're all over the place. It's very good for that. मैंने बीच में meditation छोड़ दिया था. I remember in 2017-18 I used to meditate a lot because I was going through something during that time, and it really helped me get out of that situation. You would think that meditation is very difficult. You can't really concentrate with all the noises you have in a desi household. It's very difficult. Everybody's coming and speaking to you at any point in time. But ऐसा नहीं है. Meditation में अगर किसी को meditation start करनी है तो I would suggest that start listening to guided meditations. It's a great help. That's how I started, and I still do the guided meditations. And it's okay if you're thinking about any kind of thoughts. And nowadays with all the social media that we consume, with a lot of distractions, and we have a lot less attention span. I'm also someone who scrolls through social media for hours and hours and consuming mindless content that's not even helpful for me. When I read books, I understand that how less, earlier I used to read almost 100 pages at one go, and more than that actually. 100 is very less, but now 20 pages are too much for me. I get really jittery and I get very restless that no, I have to do something else, and that's my attention span. So meditation helps in a lot of things. It's an exercise for your mind, so it's a good thing if you want to try that. If you're going through something in your life also, it's really good. It's good thing to try something, but it's very, very important to be consistent about it. Consistency is so important in everything. Like I create content in other things, like consistency in working out, in meditating are very beneficial. So I've decided that I'd go do my nails today. Let me take you along with me.
So we just finished at Carmen, and it's such a beautiful consignment cafe store, and we're on the way to Pancake House.
आई जस्ट फिनिश डूइंग माई इवनिंग वर्कआउट. ऐसा कुछ है नहीं कि मैं सुबह भी करती हूँ और शाम को भी, बट यूजली मैं इवनिंग में वर्कआउट, पिलाटीज या जो भी योगा वगैरह करना है करती हूँ. बट कभी कभी मैं सुबह जब मुझे थोड़ा अच्छा लगता है, एनर्जेटिक लगता है, तो आई डू सम काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रेचिंग exercise. Right now I'm just gonna wind down kind of. I've thought that I would sleep for like 4 hours. सुबह के 2 बजे निकलना है घर से, तो मैं रेडी होने के लिए 12:30 बजे उठूँगी. For that I need to sleep by 8. I have enough time right now. It's 5:45. Yeah, so I have time. I'm just gonna rest and see if I get some sleep. जल्दी भी उठ गई तो अच्छी बात है. So I'm going to have some hibiscus and some chamomile tea. I'm turning off the gas and now I'll let it brew for some time. I'll put a timer on for 3 minutes and then I'll drink this. This is how it looks. It's completely red because of the hibiscus tea. And it smells so good because the chamomile tea had vanilla in it, so it smells really nice. So I remember when I was in Jet Airways और जब हम business class में काम करते थे, तो वहाँ पे they used to have a separate menu for all kind of teas. I'm not wrong. Then there were like 12 kinds of teas and passengers used to love it, like business class passengers. और कभी कभी हमें ऐसे भी passengers मिलते थे जो बोलते थे कि पूरी flight में हम एक टी try करेंगे. So my favorite was obviously chamomile tea. वहाँ पे एक चीज़ नहीं था, peppermint tea. In Virgin Atlantic we have peppermint tea and I have tried that and I think peppermint tea has become another one of my favorites. I really like herbal tea. It really makes you feel very good, especially during winters. मतलब मुझे सोने से पहले herbal tea बहुत अच्छा लगता है. कुछ खाने के बाद if you have peppermint tea, it's really good. So yeah. Just here to say that सारे टास्क दिन में जो आपने सोचा हुआ होता है कि मुझे आज ये करना है, और उसके बाद जब आपका वो ख़त्म हो जाता है तो इतनी अच्छी फीलिंग आती है ना. इट्स सो गुड. और आज मैंने सोशल मीडिया पे भी इतना टाइम वेस्ट नहीं किया. हाँ, बस वही है. और अभी मैं थोड़ी देर में सो जाऊँगी शायद. आई थिंक आई माइट फील हंग्री, सो आई माइट हैव अ वेरी लाइट मील. I've done my hair and makeup and I'm just gonna have coffee and wear my uniform. So much pink, oh my god. Hello guys, so I have reached the hotel now and I hope you like this vlog. Give me any kind of suggestions or recommendations, what kind of videos you would like to watch. I would like to tell you that I'm coming up with videos like my makeup routine, my skincare routine, and what's in my bag video. All of those videos are coming up very soon. But if you want something other than that, let me know. I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!